we will put in the milky fish soup. See how milky it is.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, as you can see, Appa is trying to clear my fridge. Right, so I bought two small grouper from Aeon a couple of days ago. This is actually very small ones, only a few hundred grams for these two. Only cost me about 10 ringgit, very, very cheap. I'm going to make use of these two grouper to make into a milky fish soup, right? Then you can put whatever ingredient you like, veggie, tofu, everything, up to you. I'm putting in one tofu here, and also I'm putting in some, this is Fukzhou fish ball. Fukzhou fish ball usually is quite big, and then inside has some fillings, which is minced meat, yeah? Then I'm going to put in some, I need some ginger slices, some red chili, tomato, and some spring onion. First thing, we need to fry up the fish. Now, you do need to prep the fish a little bit before you fry up. First thing, make sure you remove the fish kidney, which is the middle part here, the blood stain, yeah? That is the source of, oh, still have some. That is the source of fishiness. Remove that, yeah? Right, first you heat up the wok with some oil, then you put in the fish. Ooh, this fish has a lot of water. Let's pan fry the fish for a couple of minutes. This is after about 2 minutes plus. So I will give the other side also another 2-3 minutes. This is after another about 2-3 minutes, yeah? Good enough. I'm going to break the fish. Now you know why I don't use expensive fish for this dish. Because we're going to break everything up. And why is it I want to char the fish? The charness will actually add and enhance flavor to your fish soup. Don't worry about the fish bones, we will sieve it later. Make it real hot and prepare some hot water at the side. And we shall add in the hot water. And let's bring this to a boil. Once you see it started to boil, let's add in some ginger. Yeah, 2 pieces of ginger, and let it boil for at least 5 to 10 minutes. As it is boiling, if you see all these scums on top, you can actually sieve it out. These are actually the oil just now. So your soup will be clearer after you remove the scums. This is coming to about 5 minutes boiling. Look at the beautiful milky color that we are getting right now. Not difficult, is it? No need to add in any evaporated milk at all. And you get natural milky color. Right, next thing, prepare a wok, yeah, or bowl, big bowl, with a sieve. Yeah, we are going to sift the soup because we don't want the bones. Right, and we shall throw away the bones. Okay, after that, we will put in the milky fish soup. See how milky it is? Beautiful. Very simple to make milky fish soup at home, seriously. Actually, this is how the restaurant does it. Alright, now let's bring this to a boil. And then slowly we will put in the ingredient. I have some tofu. I have Fukzhou fish ball. Ooh. Let's put in a few more pieces of ginger here. I have some tomato. I also have a bit of red chili. And let's give it some seasoning. some fine salt, a bit of fish sauce, Shaoxing wine, optional. Ooh. Those who don't take Shaoxing wine, no need to put. Few dashes of white pepper. And let's cook this for 2-3 minutes. Right, this is after another about 3-4 minutes cooking. Our milky fish soup is basically done. Look at this. I did not add any evaporated milk. It's already milky. Not done yet. Let me off the fire. Give it some spring onion for garnishing. And I'll put in some fried shallot with a bit of fried shallot oil. Now it's done. A very yummy and appetizing and very healthy fish soup, milky fish soup, done in less than about 10 minutes. All right. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on in your Facebook to our friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.